So here's how to add HTML link to Shopify. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First you will need to go to your Shopify store. Then you have to go to this website that I'm going to show you here. That's name is elfsite.com. Once you are logged in here, now you have to select the template, and once you have selected the template, now you have to click on the continue with this template option at the bottom. This website offers you various templates to customize. You have to select any one of the given template that you like. After that, here you have to click on the continue with this template option, and after that it will give you the option to make changes on it. You can change the title, text and other options as well. You can also add buttons according to you, and you can also change other details as well. If you want to add another picture, you can also add the picture, and simply you have to click on the publish to publish it. Once you click on the publish, if you are a subscriber of this website, it will give you an HTML code that you have to paste to your Shopify store. For this, first you have to go to your Shopify store, and then here you have to select all of these options. Now at this interface, you have to click on the customize option at the top, and once you click on it, now it will take you to another page. Then at this page you have to simply click on the add a section option, and once you click on it, now it will open this menu. Now from here you have to click on the custom liquid option, and then you have to again click on this option. Once you click on this option, now it will give you another option to add custom liquid. Here you have to paste the URL that you have recently copied. You have to simply paste the HTML code here, and once you have pasted the code, now you have to click on the change option at the bottom, and then you have to click on the save, and once you click on the save, now these changes will be saved. So that's how to add custom HTML code to Shopify store.